You're not sure what to cook for today? Hello beautiful people! Well guys, today I want to teach you how to make one of my favorite Indian dishes. Rogan Josh is one of the signature Kashmiri cuisine. It is smoky, it is full of flavors. It is truly a bowl of heaven. Honestly, I have discovered this dish when I was working at the hotel. Always when I am with my chefs, and I'm always asking them to teach me a new dish. Something new, something that I never tried before. Well, they have taught me how to make this exquisite Rogan Josh dish. It's very simple and all you need is a proper braising pot and that's about it. So the first step, on a medium heat in a braising pot, we're gonna add the corn oil. Look, I'm using, by the way, corn oil because I couldn't find ghee in my kitchen. The ghee always give it a more intense flavors, by the way. Then we're gonna add the black and green cardamom, the bay leaves, the finely chopped red onions. We're gonna mix the entire combination for around 5 to 8 minutes so everything is properly softened and cooked. Then we're gonna add the ginger garlic paste, and this is where you're gonna start feeling and smelling a lot of beautiful flavors. Then we're gonna add the mutton. Wait, YouTubers, I'm sure you're gonna ask me what is the difference between lamb and mutton. So lamb is a meat from a young sheep, while mutton is a meat from a fully grown sheep. You know what I really love about Indian dishes? They have a lot of flavors, they're easy to do. The most important thing while making those dishes is finding the balance between the masalas. This is a time where we're gonna add the salt, and then we're gonna add the turmeric powder. We're gonna mix everything. The mixture starts to be a bit dry. This is where we're gonna add the water. And then we're gonna cook them again for around 10 to 15 minutes. Lovely people, of course, you're gonna ask me where is the recipe. I am gonna add all the details that you need in the description below. We're gonna add the cumin powder at first, the Kashmiri chili, then the coriander powder. And again, we're gonna start mixing everything. And then as you can see, the color starts to be really beautiful. It's starting to have this strong reddish color, which I really love, by the way. Then we're gonna add a bit of yogurt. The yogurt's gonna give us basically a certain tanginess to this dish. Beautiful people, what is your favorite Indian dish? Please leave me a comment and let me know. Now we're gonna add the tomato puree. So it's very easy basically. So we're gonna get some tomatoes, we're gonna blanch them, and then we're gonna blend them. That's about it. Then again, we're gonna mix and mix, as you can see in front of you in the video. So now it's very essential to braise this beautiful dish. It's gonna take around an hour, 2 hours, it really depends, because what we're looking for is the mutton to be very soft. So always look from time to time, if it needs a bit of water, you can always add it if it's starting to get too dry. By the way, beautiful people, if you really love Indian food, I have done an amazing, exquisite playlist. If you wanna check it out, I am gonna add it in the tab over there. If you're a beginner and you learn to make all those recipes, trust me, beautiful people, you will be a professional. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. As you can see, it was simple, but trust me, once you're gonna try it, you're gonna fall in love with it. We'll see you very soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Ciao!